Welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'll come in here with an unboxing video. I just received this box and it's Adidas. I ordered these on the release date, so I'm just gonna unbox them. You'll know by the title what this unboxing is for, so let's go ahead and unbox the box. So the box comes with this, and this is Adidas Collect. Obviously the receipts and stuff, and this is what's in the box. Yeah, so this is what's in the box. It's the Yeezys. So these are my first ever pair of Yeezys, and if you are watching this video, then you most probably know what colorway these are. Oh gosh. So the Yeezy Mauves released on Saturday, and I really wanted them, but I didn't really want to pay for them. So I was trying to figure out how I'm going to get these trainers because my bank balance weren't the best. So basically got them as a very early Christmas present. I just thought this is something that I really want, and yeah, so I thought let me just ask for it, and I got them as an early gift from my brother and sis. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So this colorway, as soon as I saw it, because obviously like I said before, I haven't got the I didn't get the Rave runners. I wasn't feeling them in the beginning. Yeezys are a shoe that has grown on me over the past years. I'm still not a fan of the 350s, V1 or V2s really, but the 700s and the 500s have started to grow on me. So when the second release of the Wave Runners came out, I was a bit annoyed that I didn't get them, but I wasn't that annoyed, because as soon as I saw this colorway, I was like, yes, this is something I really need to get. So obviously it says Boost at the side, and the box opens out like this. Here they are, guys. So not everybody is going to be a fan of these shoes. I've done a slight poll on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you'll see my link down below. Follow me. It will give you all of the latest, all my pictures of sneakers, crepes, whatever. And I'm more active on my Instagram more so than my YouTube channel. But yeah, so those are them. So yeah, as I was saying, I've done a poll on my Instagram to ask who copped. A lot of people hadn't copped them, and a lot of people were DMing me saying that they're butters, they're disgusting, they're ugly, for people that don't know what butters if you're watching from the US. And why am I getting them? They're disgusting. But you know what, like, I love them. I've seen them with a different lace. Like, a girl that I follow has this colour green lace, which she says she got from the OG pair. But I love this colourway. It's just so good for the fall, for autumn, for us English people. So as you can see, it's got the 3 stripes here. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. 3 stripes there. It had this bit here is called Mauve, and it's called Mauve, and it's like a suede material. It's also got a mesh material here near the toe box. Obviously around here is rubber on the midsole, and it's got the 2 green elements on each side. The back bit here near the heel is also suede mauve, and it's a mesh tongue that has, does it have the Adidas on there? Mesh tongue, no. And then these are the laces it comes with. It doesn't come with any other laces. Apparently these are reflective as well, so when you take a picture with a flash, certain parts will reflect. I think it's the 3 Adidas stripes and also the side parts of the side panel as well. But these are those guys. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing because I literally just received the shoe. I haven't, let me go back out again. I haven't yet worn the shoe or tried on the shoe, so I'll let you know. But I got them in a UK 8.5 because a lot of people were saying that the shoe comes up quite small. So I got them in a UK 8.5, which is a US 9. I think Adidas sizing comes up a bit weird. I'm going to quickly try them on now and tell you how the fit is. They fit perfectly, guys, in an 8.5. So looking down at them on my foot, they look really chunky, but I need to see them in a mirror to see exactly what they look like. Looking down at them, they look kind of ugly. They're a slightly bit tight, but a lot of people say that they do break in and they do become more comfortable. I would say they are kind of comfortable just as a first off of putting them on my foot. And yeah, let me see if I can show you. So I don't know if you guys can see. This is what they look like on my foot so far. They are, I'm wearing their Shaw Wetherspoons. But yeah, they look all right. They feel okay. Yeah, I'll do it proper on foot so you guys can see it properly. I might do it on foot outdoors. If you guys want to see how they look when I put them on and take a picture of them, then head over to my Instagram, because hopefully I would have had a picture up of them not long after this video. So yeah, guys, that's those, and it's gonna be a quick, short and sweet video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna obviously try my hardest to do more unboxings. Like I say, whenever I get the trainer, I'll do an unboxing, but haven't bought a pair of trainers since my last unboxing. So I'm happy that I got my 700s. So yeah, I'm happy and they fit nice. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one. Peace.